The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Poltavka, Verkhnya Tersa and Domelnik in Zaporozhye region. Over the past 24 hours, up to 20 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 1 Stab-B howitzer have been neutralized in these directions. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 102nd Territorial Defense Brigade was eliminated close to Gulay-Pole. In the Kherson direction, up to 35 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery gun have been eliminated during the day. In total, 407 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,747 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 anti-aircraft missile systems, 8,659 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,082 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,576 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,487 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 500 servicemen within a day, including 16 armored vehicles, 4 tanks, and 7 artillery units. In total, Russia lost 181,090 servicemen since the start of the conflict, including 3,650 tanks, 7,069 armored personnel carriers, 2,784 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,339 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 414 days. There is still no peace talk between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of destroying Russian fortifications using HIMARS MLRS from America. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore not to forgive Russia invaders.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!